Ladies and gentlemen, aloha. This is a very, very big moment for us in Hawaii today with this appointment to the Supreme Court. All the applicants, all the candidates were superbly qualified. They had impressive records. And the interviews that we had were excellent, uniformly informative to me, and inspiring. I came away, if anything, with increased respect, both professionally and personally, for every one of the candidates. My appointment is less one of choosing one person over the others, but much more one out of these exceptional people that were nominated by the Judicial Selection Committee. And that choice is Judge Michael David Wilson, whom I appointed this past Sunday, February 16th. In the course of a 30-year career in the practice of law and in the service of the judiciary, he has also been the consumer advocate for the state of Hawaii. He's been chairman of the State Board of Land and Natural Resources. He's been chairman of the State Water Commission. He's been a commissioner on the Ko'olavi Island Reserve Commission. He's worked for the much respected and revered judges Samuel King and Frank Padgett. He was a partner with some of the leading private litigators and practitioners of the law in Hawaii, some of whom are with us today. His assignments have included the felony trial calendar and the drug court and mental health courts, both providing new models for our criminal justice system. He's also been assigned on occasion to the Intermediate Court of Appeals and to the Supreme Court. His pro bono legal support to the public dates back to 1984 and includes a spectrum of issues from treatment of incarcerated inmates and violence in the schools to environmental development issues. He's an active member of Nakamakai, one of the leading nonprofits that introduces young people of all the islands to the role of the ocean and the environment in our lives and in terms of our kuleana obligations. I've seen it in action myself, participated, and I know for personal fact that it is involved in changing the lives of young people with respect to their understanding of themselves and Hawaii. As I indicated, my conversations with the fine candidates that were nominated were informative and enlightening. I asked all of them how they saw themselves in terms of their role as a justice. Michael's instantaneous reply was, "The Supreme Court is our public conscience." I agree fully, and I'm confident that in bringing this point of view to the Supreme Court, it provides a solid philosophical foundation as a point of departure in facing his duties on the court. The Constitution and our kuleana responsibilities to it will be in good hands with Michael David Wilson.
Thank you, Governor.
Thank you,
Thank you. I really am truly humbled by and...
Start again.
Should I start again?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Governor. All right. I am truly humbled by and grateful for the decision of the Judicial Selection Commission to place me on the list, and of course I am tremendously grateful for the decision of Governor Abercrombie to select me for the court. And I very much look forward to the opportunity to speak with the Senate from here on, and thank you all very much for coming. And thank you, Governor.